us with something. That's how my days go.
Never get enough. We never seem to get older. When things are
Whew, I got a lot of junk in this garage. I need to clean it out, but every time I clean it out, it looks like this. Definitely a construction zone. But this video is going to be about the front compartment. There we go. You can kind of see me. About the front compartment. It was a total rebuild, total redesign. It might actually work out well. We'll see how it works. But in the next video, we're going to do about the roof. So, yeah, it wasn't too bad. Well, that's kind of a lie. Okay, so I first started with pretty much nothing. I changed out the floor, and then I had to rebuild the front end, which wasn't easy because I'm not a contractor. I don't have a clue what I'm doing. What I did was I tried to build the frame out and put the original plastic piece back on it to try to kind of give it a factory look, and then kind of built around it with some wood, and then I covered it with a really thin piece of plastic I got from Home Depot. And then after that, I took the fiberglass filler, the long hair fiberglass filler. It's a structural filler, and then I decided to try to shape it and mold it and make it look not so boxy. So then I primed it, and then here we are. So obviously it's gonna have paint on it in a door, a couple doors, but yeah, there we go. I have about, I would probably say a good 50-60 hours into the front compartment alone. So is it recommended? No. It turned out it's not as heavy as I thought it was, because I had a bunch of stuff in it when I was trying to pick it up. Cleaned out the front compartment, and I can still pick it up with both hands, the tongue. So I know I didn't go overboard with the weight. So that's going to be fine. And also what I did too, I used fiberglass filler to fill the seams all the way around there, on top and around, and through here where the plastic meets the wood. It's not perfect, it's not great, but again, it's a toy for the weekend, and it's going to be they're going to have the truck bed liner all the way around it, so you're not going to see a lot of imperfections. All right, so leave your comments, questions below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. A little sneak peek to next time video, the tropical roof. So it was a little bit of work before I can even put that down, but we're going to go over that next time. So see you later.